Recently, I made a game called Avoidance in under 20 minutes. Before that, I made another game called Don't Click Red in under 30 minutes. I just realized that while making them, I forgot to turn on my mic, so no one could hear anything I was recording or saying. If you're new to this channel, I post devlogs and gaming videos. I try to do it every week. I'm not always consistent. Thank you for listening to that. Let's create a new file. This game is just me filling around, so I'm gonna call this. I'm gonna create a new folder. 15 minutes game. Create one. I've created 15-minute games and 10-minute games in the past, and I kind of want to keep doing something different each time. When I did the 15-minute game, I created two 15-minute games, and they were both platformers. One of them eventually became The Square's Punishment. But I want to do something different. In the previous game, if I can find them, in the previous game, I did something where enemies would spawn coming from the top, and you had to avoid the squares and collect coins. Or you had to click the dot, you had to click the purple squares, but avoid the red squares. And I kind of want to do something different. I want to keep the same momentum where they keep coming from the top, but I'm gonna make something else where you gotta collect them. So I already have my games file set up, so let's start the clock. Alright, add a new scene, rename it main game. So open it. I'm gonna change it to purple. Okay. You know what? I'm gonna change it to black because I got an idea. Okay, I'm gonna add a sprite. I'm gonna call it star. I'm gonna add an animation. Edit with Pisco. Alright, I need the line. Okay, I need to erase that. I suck at drawing stars, so I'm gonna color it yellow. Save. Yeah, that's a star. You might not believe it, so I'm gonna add a new condition, add a new group, call it star. In this one, you're gonna want to collect the stars, so I'm gonna set timer, scene timer. Value of scene timer, I'm gonna put it to 0.5. Star spawn spawn, hit OK. I'm gonna create an object, random, 760 by, I'm gonna say 0. I think that's what I did last time. I'm gonna reset the timer. So scene timer, I'm gonna restart it. Star spawn. So I'm gonna add a force angle 90 by 100 pixels. Hit OK, let's test it. Okay, there we go. We're collecting stars now, so I'm gonna need a player, so let's rename him player, color him brown, save, hit apply. Okay, I'm gonna do this though to make it look kind of like a basket. I'm gonna add a behavior, add 2 behaviors. I'm gonna add top down. We're gonna program our own behavior, so I'm gonna search new behavior, screen wrap, there it is, hit apply and install, and we're gonna apply that. So let's program it. So plus, alright, we're gonna add player move, and then I don't have time to check if it's right, so key pressed left, okay. We're gonna simulate left, when the right key is pressed, simulate right, okay, and when player is in collision with star, delete star. And let's see what we got. Awesome. Alright, how much time do I have left? I have 9 minutes, so I'm gonna add new group. Oh shoot. I'm gonna add new group. I'm gonna call it asteroids. I'm gonna add asteroids. They're going to be okay, that looks terrible. And we have an asteroid. Now I'm gonna start scene timer. Value of a scene timer 0.5 a spawn, because I don't have time to write asteroids. So asteroids. A spawn. negative 90. Nope, we don't want negative 90. We want to change this to asteroid. Alright, when player is in collision with asteroids, we want to change scene. We're gonna add a scene, new scene. I'm gonna rename it lose. Alright. And we have stars and asteroids. Alright. How much time do I have? I have 7 minutes. I don't have that much time. So, okay. Add text. I'm gonna change it to 60. I'm gonna call it title. Hit apply. I'm gonna color it white. Hit OK. And we have a game. We have a working game. Alright, I'm gonna change one thing. I'm gonna have the asteroid spawn in every 3 seconds. I'm gonna add a score. Color it white. Hit apply. Add a global variable. 0. Hit apply. Come on, I can do this. Put this up here. Okay, so when we wanna value of a global variable score plus 1. Hit OK. Alright, we're gonna add a new event, bring it up, modify. We're gonna modify the text equals okay, we're done. Asteroids appear every 3 minutes. We have a working score. We have working stars. The asteroids still come in less, so I'm gonna change it to 1. There we go. Now it's a little better. Alright, I'm also gonna add explosion. I'm gonna add a pickup sound. I'm gonna set it to 40. And we're practically done at this point. Do I have enough time to change? Yes, I have enough time to change the text, the font. I know I probably shouldn't worry about the font. I'm also gonna change it, change the size. When doing a challenge like this, you want to use all the time given to you. So we have our game. I'm going to change the Z order so it's all the way up. How much time do I have? I have 1 minute. I'm going to tweak one more thing. I'm going to add a behavior, and I'm going to say, where is it? Destroy when off the edge of the screen. I'm going to add that to the asteroid to do I have screen wrap? Yes, I have screen wrap, and my game is complete. We did this in I did this in less than 15 minutes, with 1 minute to spare. This is a nice little prototype. I know exactly what to call this game too. I'm going to call it Chasing Stars. And I hit an asteroid. Okay, there's some things I want to say. Tell your friends about this channel. I got a huge project coming up, a huge language learning project that I plan to get off the ground. Oh, I forgot to stop the... Yeah, we finished way before that. As usual with all the games I make in my videos, at least except 2, I am going to release it, to release this game. Itch.io has the 2 last games I made, Avoidance and Don't Click Red. Okay. Avoidance already got 3 views somehow. But okay, how did that? And Don't Click Red already had 2 that came from... How did it have 2 views but only 1 visit from another source? Which shows me someone on... It must be itch.io. But yeah, we made this game in less than 15 minutes. Making a game in a short amount of time is good practice. You can make prototypes, you can test out ideas, you can make actual working games. Like this game. Like I said, I'm gonna call it Chasing Stars, so I hope you enjoyed this. Tell your friends about this channel. If you're not already subscribed. I strongly suggest subscribing to it. My channel is Husky10. I apologize for the last 2 videos not having sound. That was my fault. But anyway, I do gaming videos, I do devlogs, I do challenges like this. If you have any small game ideas for me to test out to see if I can do, I will try to just leave it in a comment down below. Don't make... Wait, was I not recording? So, thanks for watching.